Welcome to this introductory video to discuss about PMI-ACP certification exam. If you're preparing to take the PMI-ACP exam, you will undoubtedly want to find out as much information as you can about multiple Agile frameworks, exam resources, training material, tips and tricks, and how to pass the exam in your first attempt. For sure, that is our target as well at Free Training Hub, to help you in your journey of passing PMI-ACP exam, in the most quickest and promising way. This will begin the series of training videos for PMI-ACP exam, created by Free Training Hub. Please subscribe on Facebook and YouTube to get notifications of the latest training video. Since it takes a lot of efforts to create each training video, so please remember to like, share and comment on each video. Coming on to the exam, the Project Management Institute offers a professional certification for Agile practitioners, known as the PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, commonly known as PMI-ACP. Our training videos provides the knowledge of different Agile frameworks like Scrum, Extreme Programming, Lean, and Kanban that will help you to get a full understanding of the challenges that you will face as an Agile project management professional. Now the question is that what is the worth of PMI-ACP certification? PMI Agile Certified Practitioner formally recognizes your knowledge of Agile principles and your skill with Agile techniques. The salary of a certified PMI-ACP is about 28% higher than that a non-certified professional. PMI-ACPs are highly valued in the industry, which is why they receive such a higher pay. There is no doubt that becoming certified as a PMI-ACP certainly pays off. Okay, now let's talk about the prerequisites for PMI-ACP exam. You need at least a secondary degree and 21 contact hours of training in Agile practices, along with 12 months of general project experience within the last 5 years, plus 2,000 hours of general project experience. A current PMP or program management professional will satisfy this requirement. In terms of experience, 8 months of Agile project experience within the last 3 years is needed. Please note that gap in experience will not count. Also, experience working simultaneously in multiple projects at a time will count only one time towards eligibility and not multiple times during the same time duration. Alright. Next up is some important information about PMI-ACP exam. If you work on Agile teams or if your organization is adopting Agile practices, the PMI-ACP is a good choice for you. Not to forget, PMI-ACP exam is more broad as compared to Certified Scrum Master certification. Compared with other Agile certifications based solely on training and exams, the PMI-ACP is evidence of your real-world, hands-on experience and skill. The PMI-ACP spans many approaches to Agile such as Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming called XP and Test-Driven Development methodology known as TDD. So it will increase your versatility, wherever your projects may take you. Okay guys, listen carefully. Now the most important information about passing PMI-ACP exam. The certification exam has 120 multiple choice questions. 100 questions are scored items and 20 unscored item, which means you will be assessed on the basis of your answers of 100 scored questions only. The unscored items will not be identified and will be randomly distributed throughout the exam. PMI will not tell you which one are 20 unscored questions, so make sure to answer all questions. There is no negative marking for the incorrect answers. So how much time you will get to complete the exam? Time duration is 3 hours. Passing marks is around 70% correct answers. After you pass the exam, to maintain your PMI-ACP certification, you must earn 30 professional development units known as PDU every 3 years. Certification application is available online on PMI website. So you will now ask, how much is the certification exam cost? Cost of the PMI-ACP certification exam is a bit cheaper for PMI members. For PMI member, it will cost US $435. For non-member, it will cost US $495. I recommend you to take annual membership. It's worthwhile, not only in saving exam cost, but it provides numerous other benefits that you can see on PMI website. Another important information is PMI certification audit. PMI can randomly select your application for reference check and audit. Once selected for audit, you will be required to send supporting documentation to PMI for verification related to your education, training certificate, general project experience and Agile project experience. Once selected for audit, you have 90 days to submit the documents. Nothing to worry about, just refer to the certification handbooks and the audit FAQs on PMI portal for more information. PMI FAQ link is provided in this training to get more information on exam guidance, maintaining PDU and audit. Next is scheduling PMI-ACP exam. Once your application process is complete, PMI will email you examination scheduling instructions with your eligibility code, which you will need when scheduling your exam appointment at a testing center. You have 1 year to schedule and pass the PMI-ACP exam after you receive notification from PMI. In case you can't appear for exam within the stipulated 1-year timeline, then you need to request PMI with some justification for extension of this timeline. Let's discuss about PMI-ACP exam domains, which is the core of this video. It includes their area of coverage and weightage of each domain. PMI-ACP course content is spread across 7 different domains. Domain 1, Agile Principles and Mindset, consist of 16% questions. It will explore, embrace, and apply Agile principles and mindset. Domain 2, Value-Driven Delivery, consists of 20% questions. It is the biggest domain and it will deliver valuable results by producing high-value increments for review, early and often, based on stakeholder priorities and feedback on these increments, and use this feedback to prioritize and improve future increments. Domain 3, Stakeholder Engagement, covers 17% questions. Domain 3 promotes stakeholders' participation and collaboration throughout the project life cycle and provide the tools for effective and informed decision-making. Domain 4, Team Performance, is 16% marks. Create an environment of trust, learning, collaboration, and conflict resolution that promotes team self-organization, enhances relationships among team members, and cultivates a culture of high performance, values, risks, constraints, stakeholder feedback, and review findings. Domain 5, Adaptive Planning, is 12% questions. In this domain you produce and maintain an evolving plan, from initiation to closure, based on goals. Domain 6, Problem Detection and Resolution, will have 10% questions. In Domain 6 we will see how to continuously identify problems, risks, prioritize and resolve in a timely manner, monitor and communicate the problem resolution status, and implement process improvements to prevent them from occurring again. Domain 7, Continuous Improvement, is the smallest section with only 9% questions. In the last domain we will discuss how to continuously improve the quality, effectiveness, and value of the product, process, and the team. Remember, PMI wants you to pass and succeed in the exam. They publish so much online in their portal that you need to pass your exam in first attempt. Once you pass the exam, then you will help them build the value and reputation of PMI-ACP certification in the marketplace. Thanks for watching this video and let's get started. I will take you to each domain covered here and equip you with all the necessary knowledge required to confidently attempt and pass your certification exam. We wish you all the best, from Free Training Hub. See you in the next video. Bye for now.